Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo Ideapad Flex5. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Lenovo Ideapad Flex5 won't connect to Wi-Fi, you may be facing a hardware issue or a software glitch. This can happen due to outdated drivers or a failed Wi-Fi card. If left unattended, it can lead to further connectivity problems, making it difficult to use your device effectively. For this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any damage to the internal components. Begin by ensuring your device is powered off and unplugged. Next, place your Lenovo Ideapad Flex5 on a flat, static-free surface. Using the plastic opening tool, carefully pry open the back cover. Start at one corner and work your way around the edges until the cover is free. Be gentle to avoid damaging the clips. Once the back cover is removed, locate the Wi-Fi card. It is usually situated near the rear of the device, connected to the motherboard. You will see two small antennas connected to it. Carefully disconnect these antennas by gently pulling them away from the card. After that, remove the screws holding the Wi-Fi card in place. These screws are typically small, so ensure you keep them safe. When the screws are removed, gently lift the Wi-Fi card out of its slot. Now, take your replacement Wi-Fi card and align it with the slot. Insert it carefully, making sure it sits properly. Replace the screws to secure it in place, ensuring you do not over-tighten them. Reconnect the antennas, making sure they are firmly attached to the new card. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once everything is securely in place, carefully reattach the back cover of your Ideapad Flex5, pressing down along the edges to snap it back into position. Power on your device and check if the Wi-Fi is functioning correctly. If it connects successfully, congratulations! You have completed the repair. To prevent this issue from occurring again, ensure your drivers are regularly updated and perform routine checks on your hardware. Avoid placing your laptop in areas with poor signal strength, as this can also affect connectivity. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.